So if you're running a business, you probably feel like you're drowning in tools. One platform for landing pages, another for email, and then you still got to figure out pipeline management and client portals. High Level claims to replace all of that with one platform. But is it actually worth trying in 2025? Well, before we get into the details, I'll put a link below this video and a QR code right here on screen. That way, if you decide High Level makes sense for you, then you'll have the easiest way to check it out for yourself and sign up at the best price available. So, quick backstory. I first came across High Level because I was juggling way too many different platforms. Zapier connections, tools breaking, logins everywhere. I just wanted one system that actually did everything without me duct taping it all together. Now, here's what stood out for me. First off, the page builder is surprisingly solid. If you've used ClickFunnels or WordPress Builder before, the learning curve feels familiar. Drag and drop templates and enough flexibility to actually make a page look the way you want it. No need for 3 different subscriptions just to put up a funnel. The second thing that I liked was the multi-channel follow-up campaigns. This is where High Level feels different. Instead of just relying on email, you can tie them together with SMS, voicemail drops, and even Facebook Messenger. That's huge for agencies trying to boost response rates or for small businesses that just need leads to actually pick up the phone. They also have a full-featured mobile app, which honestly surprised me. A lot of SaaS platforms treat mobile as an afterthought, but with High Level, you can manage your pipeline, follow up with leads, and check campaign results right from your phone. If you're like me and half your work happens when you're not at a desk, that's super convenient. Another feature worth mentioning is the membership platform. This lets you build out courses or client-only areas without having to bolt on something like Kajabi or Teachable. I tested it for a client training program, and while it's not as flashy as a dedicated LMS, it works smoothly and keeps everything in one place. And then there's the pipeline management. If you've ever used Trello or Pipedrive, it has the same visual drag and drop feel for tracking where leads are in the process. For agencies managing multiple clients, it helps you instantly see who's hot, who's cold, and what needs a follow-up. Support is another plus. High Level offers 24/7 support, which I actually had to test at 1 a.m. when I broke an automation. Got a real human reply within a couple minutes. That gave me some peace of mind, especially when client campaigns are on the line. But let's be real here. No platform is perfect. High Level can feel overwhelming at first because it tries to do so much. The dashboard is packed, and if you're brand new to digital marketing, there's definitely a learning curve. I also found that some of the templates feel a little cookie cutter, so if you want highly customized branding, you'll probably spend more time tweaking. So, who's High Level actually best for? Well, if you're an agency owner, it's a no-brainer because you can manage all your clients under one roof, white label it, and cut cost by consolidating tools. For small business owners, it's a powerful tool, but only if you're willing to spend some time learning how to use it. If you just want a basic landing page and an email list, it might honestly be more than you need. Now, if you're curious and want to check it out, I'll drop the link in the description, or you can instead scan the QR code on screen right now. That's the easiest way to see if it's the right fit for your business and sign up at the best price available anywhere. So after using it myself, do I think High Level is worth it in 2025? Well, for the right person, absolutely. If you're tired of stacking multiple tools together and you want everything in one ecosystem, it definitely delivers on that promise. What about you though? Have you ever tried High Level, or are you using a different setup right now? Go ahead, drop your experience in the comments below. I would love to hear what's working for you.